How to change image size. To begin, I added some images to my timeline. The first image's proportions are according to my sequence's frame size, so I can just right-click on image and choose Scale to Frame Size. For the second image, double-click on it and use one of the handles to change its size, or you can just select it and go to Effect Controls and change Scale Value. For the third image, it is not proportional to my sequence's frame size, so if I right-click and select Scale to Frame Size, I don't get the result I want. So after that, double-click on the image in Program panel and use one of the handles to increase its size. You can also go to Effect Controls and uncheck Uniform Scale to stretch your image, and width and height of your image change independently. But remember, this is not a good idea to stretch your image if you don't want to lose quality. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.